give me a moment here. I'll actually go pull up the page, because... What were the 3 types again? Oh yeah. Hunter Slimes, Mosaic Slime, and Meteor Slime. And I am really curious as to how Meteor Slime is going to work. Because that sounds like it's, I don't know, kind of how, like... It's hard to decide how that's going to work. Ow. Ow! I feel like these guys are the most bloodiest thing alive right now. I mean, look how much food I've been giving them. It's ridiculous. It's honestly kind of stupid. It's good that I'm keeping them as unagitated as possible. Alright, so... Now here's something that confuses me, right? So in terms of unimplemented slimes, there's rad slimes, there's meteor slimes, there's mosaic slimes, and there's hunter slimes. But there are only 2 different slimes that I have yet to discover. I mean, this could just be a case of it not being... It could just be because, you know, the game's not finished and they haven't even started programming in the possibility of 2 of the other slimes. So we know it's going to be the rad slime. The rad slime is one of the Slimepedia entries that I have yet to fill. But what's the other one? That's what I'm wondering. We've got 3 potential options. It could be the Hunter Slime, because people have seen the Hunter Slime in their current state, which is basically just a green-tinted tabby slime. They're probably going to be more wolf-like at some point, I think. That's what I feel like they're... I almost got scared by this, but then I realized it's a scare slime, not an actual tar. Oh my gosh, you're hungry! Let me feed you guys. Your favorite food. It's like, you look at these faces, and how can you deny them their food? How can you deny them their happiness? I'm just wearing this silly smile on my face the whole time. There you go! Oh, wow! Wouldn't it be cool if you could, like, pet slime? What I want for this game, out of anything else, third-person mode. I want to know what Beatrix LeBeau looks like, for goodness sake. Because, I mean, the most we see out of her is an arm. That's it. I want a third-person mode, dang it. Let me see the Slime Rancher in all her glory. Go get some pogo fruits and then I'll go out and grab some carrots. Hey, we're up to 4 viewers. Awesome! I'll check who it is in a moment. Just gotta... this here... okay, so I need 9 of these. Let's see. In fact, I think there's one right here that I can just take. Yeah. How are you people getting out? Do I need to get rid of some of you? Goodness! My slimes are possessed by Houdini! Houdini, I am not the man who killed you! I didn't even exist back then! Why are you haunting me? Alright, so I need carrots. Here's carrots. Oh wow, drop down to... Okay, fair enough. I feel like whenever I call attention to how many viewers I've got, it just doesn't end well. I just like acknowledging that I have people watching me, okay? I like acknowledging that you people care. That you like to give me a shot. I appreciate it. My viewer count has fluctuated more this stream than anything. Whoa, okay! Maybe if I checked the rewards for once in my life, I wouldn't be caught off guard by all this. I have more hens than I know what to do with. And apparently some FOSS reports. I don't know why I have these. Well, I guess this is what I'm doing. I have $21,000 in this game. I think it's safe to say that Beatrix LeBeau is a rich woman. Like, we buy... You know, let's just buy a million bucks for these guys. Why not? I've got plenty of money to spare, and I've got like nothing to spend it on. A while. You know what? I'm gonna do something awful. I'm just gonna cause some mass mayhem. I know that causing mass mayhem in this game is not desirable, but I'm going to be far enough away from my farm to the point where I don't think any of the tar are going to get in. And yes, I'm going to create a tar infestation. I'm going to see how many slimes I can stuff into one area, and then I'm just going to unleash the tar on them. Why? Because I am a horrible person. First, let me empty out my inventory and sell all but one of this honey port. I need to stuff a bunch of slimes into an area, find a Largo, and throw a honey port in it. Because I'm not going to be in an area that has any honey Largos. Let's see. Can I get to these guys? Case? Absolutely. Alright, here we go. It's time to cause a problem. Just vacuum up as many slimes as I can find. Just to stuff them all into one big area. This might cause an issue. Because the area I know I'm going to be doing this in is already going to have like a bunch of slimes. Why am I doing this, you ask? Because I'm evil. Okay, the real reason is because I feel like the stream needs a bit of an excitement boost. And what better way to do that than to, quite frankly, play God. Okay, I don't think this is literally playing. Every single okay, I think I need to get rid of these Largos. They're causing a problem. I think some pink port is good too, I guess. Actually, I should clear out as much port as I can. Because the port causes an issue. To the point where, you know... They keep eating it, they keep turning into Largos, and that is not something I want. It's not something I want at all. I only need one Largo to cause chaos. There we go. Golly, had to shoot him like 3 times. Actually, let's just get rid of the phosphorus slimes because it's about to be daytime. It's gonna be daytime soon-ish, you know? Let's see, what else can I use this on? You know what? I think 3 slimes is a good amount. Good, fair amount. And And you, sir, are probably going to be the next victim. Oh. Come on, please, little Largo form. Please, little Largo form. Largo form, Largo form, Largo form. You are literally what I need right now. Yes, that's what I need. There we go! Alright, now we run. Need to get the high ground. This is why I should not have freedom in video games ever. Oh no! You go over there. Eat! Eat! You go away. Oh man. Oh, what? Oh! Oh! Some of them are getting themselves killed! They're trying to reach me! Ow! And this one did! Get out of here! This is a problem. I think I might have taken this a little too far. Oh, what's this? Nope! Hey, I got him. Awesome. No, you go back into the murder ring. Oh, okay. I think this might have escalated beyond my control. No. Oh, there's tar everywhere. Oh, okay, this is a problem. You know, I should have anticipated this. Okay, let's get rid of these. Oh my gosh, what have I done? So let's vacuum up as much of this pink port as we can. Oh, some of them are dying. Can they starve? I wonder if they can starve. Oh, go away. No, bad. Oh, this is, oh no, I got myself into this situation, but I didn't anticipate it going this wrong this quickly. Well, let's try and get rid of the tar as much as we can. Is that all? Did I get them all? I think I got them all. Note to self, never do that again. Okay, that's actually not the first... You son of a gun. I've actually created tar infestation to clear out an area before. It's actually a pretty good way to try and deal with, like, if you're having Largo issues or if you're trying to get a certain slime to spawn. It's actually a pretty good way to... Good sir! How did he get over here? What? Hold on, what? Oh no, those are just phosphor. Okay. But I did not know that rock slimes could spawn over there. Unless that one got there while trying to escape the tar. Which actually would not surprise me, because it seems that slimes are engineered to try and run. Oh wow. Pink port's at an all-time high. You know this stuff sells for cheap. When 9 coins is considered an all-time high for that particular variety. Okay, let's see. What have we got here? Oh, Moonlight's still around. Thanks for sticking around, Moonlight. I appreciate it. You hungry? Yep, you're hungry.